Hi, this is Joyce, and I'm going to show you today how to draw the archway in the Kellogg horse stables. Here's a finished soft pastel of mine that I did for a previous demo. It was a lot of fun to do. I'd like to show you how to do it yourself. I'll show you the photograph that I worked from to create this drawing, and as you can see, it's not exactly the same. But the first thing I did was draw a small sketch with the congruent lines going to the vanishing point off the right. This would cover the roof line, the building line, even lines in the sidewalk. Here I've started my drawing, and I'm actually doing the tunnel through the building, the hallway, first to get it out of the way. I'm using soft pastel pencils, and you can use color pencils if you like. Here I am doing cleanup and putting in a soft pastel inside the hallway, and I'm smoothing it with my finger. Now I've sprayed it, and I'm going to move on to the next section, which is doing the stucco around the doorway. Again, I'm using soft pastel, and I am using also my finger to smooth out the areas of the stucco. My next area of concern is the roof line. I'm using a black charcoal pencil, a white charcoal pencil, and blue pastel. Now I'm rubbing in the blue pastel to the paper to smooth it out. This is what it looked like before, and then as I'm working it. Next, I will be working on the walkway. Now, the asphalt walkway, I didn't think it looked really good, so I turned it into a terracotta walkway, and I made sure that the lines of the tile meet the same vanishing point off to the right. Now, I might want to mention that the second vanishing point is on the left side where it says vanishing point 1, and it's behind the building, and the sides of the walkway lead to it. At this point, I've sprayed the walkway a bit, sprayed the sky to make sure everything's under control. Next, I'm working on shadowed areas from the plants and the banana trees, and I'm using an eraser to sharpen certain areas and going back and forth with a little bit of subtractive drawing. And here I am stalk of the big bird of paradise tree on the left. I'm using a taupe brown. And I've also started putting in the green palm fronds with some yellow to define the trunk of the tree. At this point, I'm into details, and I will finish the shadows and look about and see if there's anything else I need to be working on. And I think at this point it is finished, so I'm going to give it one last spray, and finito, it is done.